We continue exercise 6.3 tangents and normal. Question number 15. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is part A, parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0, and part B, perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equals to 13. So firstly we differentiate the curve y equals to x square minus 2x plus 7. We find dy by dx. This is 2x minus 2. So we get the slope. We can write m1 equals to dy by dx equals to 2x minus 2. And this line is the tangent to this line is. Find the equation of the tangent to the line to the curve, which is parallel to. So the tangent to this line is parallel to this line. So we differentiate this equation of line, and find dy by dx from this equation. So we have given 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0. And 2 minus dy by dx, and differentiation of 9 is also 0. So dy by dx comes to be 2. Dy by dx equals to 2, and name it m2. So we get the value of m1 and m2, and we know that if two lines are parallel, the tangent line to this curve and this line is parallel given. So if two lines are parallel to each other, then their slopes must be equal. So we can say that m1 equals to m2 equate. So 2x minus 2 equals to 2. We get 2x equals to 4, and the value of x comes to be 2. So we get the value of x equals to 2. Then we find the value of y, and for finding the value of y, we put the value of x in the equation of curve. So from first, y equals to x square minus 2x plus 7, put the value of x equals to 2. So we get 2 the square 4 minus 4 plus 7, and the value of y comes to be 7. So these are the 2 points which we obtain. 2, 7. The value of x and y is 2, 7. Now find the value, find the tangent, find the dy by dx at the point 2, 7. So dy by dx at 2, 7. This 2, 7 lies on the curve. So 2x minus 2. So 2 into the value of x is taken 2 minus 2, and it gives 4 minus 2. So the dy by dx at 2, 7, dy by dx at the point x1, y1 means 2, 7 comes to be 2, and the value of x1 is taken 2, and the value of y1 is taken to be 7. So we find the equation of tangent. We find the equation of tangent. So equation of tangent. The formula for the equation of the tangent is y minus y1 equals to dy by dx at x1 y1 and x minus x1. So y as it is, the value of y1 is 7, and dy by dx at x1 y1 we have already calculated 2. X minus the value of x1 is 2. So y minus 7 equals to 2x minus 4 and 2x minus y equals to minus 4 plus 7, and the result we get 2x minus y equals to 3. So this is the equation of the tangent to the curve which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0. 2x minus y equals to 3. Y minus 7, 2x minus 4 plus 7, we get plus 3. So 2x as it is minus y and minus 4 plus 7. 2x minus y equals to 3. This is the equation of tangent. Now we do second part. So for second part or part B, in which there is given that the tangent line to the curve is perpendicular to the given line, and if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their slopes is equals to minus 1. So again we find the slope from this equation. 5y and minus 15x equals to 13. So 5 dy by dx minus 15 equals to 0, and the value of dy by dx comes to be 3. 15 upon 5, which comes to be 3. The value of dy by dx, and name it M3. And the tangent to the curve is perpendicular to this line, means the slope of tangent to the curve and this line, the product of their slopes must be equal. So according to question, M1 into M3 is equals to minus 1. The value of M1 is 2x minus 2. The value of M1 is 2x minus 2, and the value of M3 is 3. This is equals to minus 1. We solve this and find the value of x. So 6x minus 6 equals to minus 1, and 6x equals to minus 1 plus 6, and 6x equals to 5. The value of x we get 5 by 6. In the second case, the value of x comes to be 5 by 6. Now put the value of x in first number equation for finding y from first. So y equals to x square minus 2x and plus 7. So 5 by 6 the whole square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. This is 25 by 36 minus 10 by 6 and plus 7 by 1. LCM 36, 25 minus 16 and plus 36 into 7. 252, and 252 plus 25, 252 plus 25, this is 277, and minus 60, we get 270. So 270 upon 36, this is the value of y. So the 2 points we get is 5 by 6 comma 270 upon 36 for the case second, where the tangent line is perpendicular to the given line. Then we calculate the slope at the indicated point. slope at the given point. So the value of m1 means dy by dx at the point 5/6, 270 by 36. So this is 2x. So the value of x is 5/6 and minus 2. This comes to be 5/3 minus 2 and minus 1/3. So this is the value of slope of the tangent dy by dx at 5/6, 217 by 36. Which is minus 1/3. Then we find the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. So equation of tangent. For case second, y minus y1 equals to dy by dx at x1 y1 and x minus x1. So y minus, the value of y1 is 270 by 36 and dy by dx at x1 y1 it comes to be minus 1/3 and x minus x1 is 5/6. So we solve this. So it comes 36y minus 270 upon 36 equals to minus 1/3 and 6x minus 5 upon 6. So 6 into 3, 18, 18 2 ja 36. So we get minus 12x. Minus 12x and minus minus plus 10 equals to 36y minus 270. So minus 12x plus 36y and minus 12x minus 36y equals to minus 270 minus 10. So minus 12x minus 36y equals to minus of 227. Minus gets cancelled from both the terms. So 12x plus 36y equals to 227. So this is the equation of tangent for part second. 12x plus 36y equals to 227. Equation of tangent for part B. Question number 16. Show that the tangents to the curve. Show that tangents to the curve show that tangents to the curve y equals to 7x cube plus 11. Y equals to 7x cube plus 11. Y equals to 7x cube plus 11 at the points where x equals to 2. At the points where x equals to 2 and x equals to -2 are parallel. We have to show that tangent to the curve are parallel at the points x equals to 2 and x minus 2. So if the slope at both the points remains equal, then we can say that the lines are parallel at the 2 points. So first we find the slope of the curve, and y equals to 7x cube minus 11. Find dy by dx. So dy by dx is differentiation of x cube 3x square, so 21x square. 7x cube minus 12. This is 7x cube plus 11. Okay, 7x cube plus 11. Differentiation of 11 is 0. Now we find slope m1 equals to dy by dx at x equals to 2. So 21 into 2 the square 4 means this comes to be m1 equals to 80. And then we find the slope at x equals to 2. So m2 equals to dy by dx at x equals to -2. So this is 21 into -2 the whole square means 21 into 4. Again it comes to be 84. So the value of m2 also comes to be 84. So since m1 equals to m2, it means the tangents are parallel. Tangents are parallel at the given 2 points. At x equals to 2 and x equals to -2, since the slopes are equal, it means tangents are parallel at the given 2 points. Question number 17. Find the points on the curve y equals to x cube. Find the points. Find the points on the curve y equals to x cube. Find the points on the curve y equals to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate. Slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. Y coordinate of the point. Slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate. So we differentiate the curve y equals to x cube and dy by dx equals to 3x square. Now dy by dx at the point x1 y1. At the point x1 y1. So this comes to be 3x1 square. And since the tangent line lie on the curve, the tangent line lies on the curve, so point x1 y1 also satisfy the equation of curve. Since the point x1, y1 lie on the curve, because the tangent lie on the curve, the tangent touches the curve, it means the point x1, y1 also lie on the curve. So this point satisfy the curve, means y1 equals to x1 cube. And tangent is equal to the y coordinate. Tangent is equal to the y coordinate, means this tangent 3x1 square is equals to the y coordinate, means y1, and the value of y1 is x1 cube. The tangent, the slope of the tangent, at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate, means slope 3x1 square is equals to y coordinate, means y1, and we put the value of y1. So the value of y1 is x1 cube and 3x1 square minus x1 cube equals to 0, and x1 square is taken common, so 3 minus x1 equals to 0, so we get two values, x1 equals to 0 and then x1 equals to 3. So at x1 equals to 0, the value of y1, put the value of x1 is 0, so the value of y1 is also 0, and at x1 equals to 3, the value of y1 is x1 cube, means 3 the cube, 27. So we get the 2 points 0, 0 and 3, 27, at which the slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate. So these are the 2 points 0, 0 and 3, 27, at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate at that point. Now the next question, for the curve, find all points at which the tangent passes through the origin. This is the important question. Question number 18. Find the points for the curve y equals to 4x cube minus 2x square. For the curve y equals to 4x cube minus 2x raised to the power 5. 4x cube minus 2x raised to the power 5. Find all points at which tangent passes through the origin. At which tangent passes through the origin. One of the important question for examination point of view. The tangent passes through the origin. So firstly, we find the slope. So y equals to 4x cube minus 2x raised to the power 5. To differentiate, dy by dx equals to 12x square minus 10x raised to the power 4. Differentiated the curve. So differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So 4x square minus 10x raised to the power 4. Now we have to find the point. So let us suppose, let the points be. Let the points on the curve be x1, y. So dy by dx at x1, y. dy by dx at x1 comma y1. So 12x1 square minus 10x1 raised to the power 4. 12x1 square minus 10x1 raised to the power 4. This is the slope of the tangent. Now we find the equation of the tangent. We write the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at the point x1 comma y. So y minus y1 equals to dy by dx at x1 comma y1 and x minus x. So y minus y1 and dy by dx at x1 y1 is 12x1 square minus 10x1 4 and x minus x. Since the tangent passes through the origin, since the tangent passes through the origin, it is given that the tangent passes through the origin and capital Y and capital X are the coordinates of the origin. It means capital X equals to 0 and capital Y equals to 0. The coordinates of the origin 0 comma 0. So we put 0 minus y1 equals to 12x1 square minus 10x1 raised to the power 4 and 0 minus x1. So we get minus y1 equals to 0 minus x1, it becomes minus x1 and 12x1 square minus 10x1 raised to the power 4. Minus and minus gets cancelled and we get y1 equals to 12x1 cube minus 10x1 raised to the power 5. Name it first number equation and name it second number equation. So we get the value of y1. y1 equals to 12x1 cube minus 10x1 raised to the power 5. But we have taken the points x1, y1 on the curve. So since x1, y1 lies on the curve, hence it satisfies the equation of the curve. It satisfies the equation of the curve. So put y1 and x1. So y1 equals to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 raised to the power 5. Name it third number equation. So from second and third, of both the equations LHS is equal. So we can equate RHS. Means 12x1 raised to the power 3 minus 10x1 raised to the power 5 equals to 4x1 raised to the power 3 minus 2x1 raised to the power 5. So 12x1 cube minus 4x1 cube, 12x1 cube minus 4x1 cube, 12x1 cube minus 4x1 cube and minus 10x1 raised to the power 5 minus 10x1 raised to the power 5 and this will go on left side. It becomes plus 2x1 raised to the power 5 and this whole equals to 0. So 12 minus 4, 8x1 cube and minus 8x1 raised to the power 5 equals to 0. From both the terms, 8x1 cube is taken common. So we get 1 minus x1 square equals to 0. It means x1 cube equals to 0, and this implies x1 equals to 0. From this equation, 1 minus x1 square equals to 0. This implies x1 square equals to 1 and x1 equals to plus minus 1. So we get the three values of x1. x1 equals to 0, plus 1 and minus 1. We get the three values of x1. 0, 1 and minus 1. Now we put all these values, we put these three values in the original curve, means from first. At x1 equals to 0, at x1 from third, at x1 equals to 0, the value of y1 is also 0. At x1 equals to 1, the value of y1, put 1, so 4 minus 2, the value of y1 is 2, and at x1 equals to minus 1, the value of y1 comes to be, this becomes minus 4, and this also comes minus 1, minus plus 2 means minus 2. So the point comes to be 0, 0, then 1, 2, and then minus 1, minus 2. So these are the 3 points obtained on the curve at which the tangent passes through the origin.